Hello everybody and welcome back to another exciting episode of Pharmatech, a place where you get a complete info on some of the interesting pharmaceutical facts and technologies. My name is Sanjay and today we are going to talk something very interesting about some drug formulations. Well, when we talk about some oral drug formulations, especially the tablets, I'm sure all of us at some point of time in our life must have taken medications for any medical conditions, right? But did you ever wonder that how these drugs work in our body? How does this drug reaches the specific target and exactly at the location where it is required to? Well, in today's video, we are going to talk and we are going to learn how exactly this happens. Actually, some researchers says that drugs have no idea whatsoever where to go when we take them. But luckily, our body has a system that is smart enough to get the medicines exactly where it is needed. So when we swallow a tablet or a capsule or as a matter of fact, any other oral formulations, it travels through the stomach, small intestine, and then into the liver, which actually breaks it down and releases the drug into the bloodstream, and then these drug goes along with for a big ride to all the organs and tissues in the body with the blood. To understand this particular fact, let us take an example of a very common analgesic drug, that is ibuprofen. Alright? So now, as we know that each and every drug, it is designed to target certain protein molecules in the body, which actually are known as receptors. Okay, so now in this case, what happens is, even though ibuprofen travels in the blood throughout our body in search of the specific receptor that is generated, by pain or inflammation, just like a lock and key. Now here what happens is, the drug ibuprofen is like the key, which actually looks throughout the body until it finds the lock for itself. Okay, where it fits, and which actually in this case is the cyclooxygenase or the COX receptor. Now at this target site, what happens is, whether it is a sore knee or a sprained ankle, doesn't matter. The ibuprofen, the drug or the drug molecule reaches into the or launches into the the target receptor as they flow by and inhibits the function of the COX receptor, which is actually required to synthesis a chemical called prostaglandin, which are important mediators of the sensation like pain. Okay? And this is when we tend to feel a relief of the pain, because the receptor has been, the mediator has been blocked, so there is no signal going to the brain that we are having a pain. Well, so far so good. But conversely, what happens is there could be a problem when side effects pops up. Now as these drugs, as I said, this drug molecule will bind to all other areas, especially at the target, especially when these targets are closely related. Say for example, when we talk about the chemotherapy drugs. Now these drugs actually searches for a fast growing or rapidly dividing cells. Okay, so they find cancer cells, but along with the cancer cell, they also find the hair cells, which are fast growing. Okay, now which is why many patients undergoing chemotherapy lose their hair as a side effect of chemotherapy. However, according to many scientists and researchers, the administrating drug locally can actually reduce the side effects of drug toxicity and other things. Okay, but still, many medications can only be administered in the way that results in having them circulated throughout the entire body. Plus, most of us actually prefers pills than getting a shot, isn't it? So friends, this was in short how this oral formulations work, and they reach exactly to the the site where the problem is. So this is it for now. So if you have liked the content of this video, I would request you to like, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to get more information, interesting facts about some pharmaceutical technologies. So till my next video, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye bye.